Okay, this one was just pretty cool to watch. Pay no mind to the story in that. Just a quick background. The county executive, along with the town supervisor of my town, were brought up on federal charges, corruption charges, because of this guy, political favors, blah, 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 blah. But just take a look here and watch right here now, the bald guy with the camera. Watch him. Fell down. They keep walking. Here, I'll replay it. Oh, watch out for that curb. And I think you can actually see that the other camera guys, yeah, they all took a step up. He didn't. And that was the end of that. Oh, who put that curb there?